Hi my beautiful queens and king. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on today's tutorial I'll be teaching you the new trending gele that's been trending on Instagram. I'll be giving you an update about the gele, but today I want to tie it on my head for you guys to know how to tie it by yourself, not needing of you to go for to call like makeup artist to come and tie it for you. You can tie it by yourself to go for best party, or to tie it to church or any event that you want. So today I'll be using this aso gele. So for this gele guys, is 70-30 ratio. So at first I'll be creating my pleats. You know how we used to create our pleats now, so I'll be creating like 4 or 5 pleats. I'll be starting 2, 3, 4 and 5. So after that I'll place it on my head. So guys, just look what I'm doing carefully. If you are tying it on yourself, you have to be careful and be looking at the mirror. There is a mirror at front of me now that I'm looking at. So you just first place it here like this. Since no one is assisting you, you are the only one tying it to yourself, so you will use this your other hand to hold it down here. So after that you will shift it back like this for your pleat to show very well. Then lay it down here too. Just look at what I'm doing carefully. So after that you use this your other hand to pin it down here. Then go back and adjust the pleat that you created before. So you be careful to adjust it. So I'm looking at the mirror at front of me, that is why. So you be adjusting your pleats. You just have to be patient doing it. You do not need to be in haste or be hurry. So guys, look at what I'm doing now. I've created my pleat, so I can now shift it back a little bit. I'll shift it back a little bit. So after that, let me show you guys the back. So I'll now cross the hand now. So guys, look at what I'm doing. Now I'll come back now. So after that, I'll start rolling the longer hand. Now I'll start rolling it. Guys, this gele is very simple. No need of you calling a makeup artist to come and tie it for you. You can actually tie it by yourself. So now I will now place it on my head like this. So guys, you can see what I'm doing, right? I bring it like this. I'm now bringing it back to the front. Just look at what I'm doing carefully. So guys, the other hand now, handle what I'm doing. So the other hand now, you can bring it back like this on it, or you can just tie it. So now I'm going to tie it now. Since guys, look at what I'm doing now. I'm just going to roll it like this. So you can just use your office pin to pin it down. The reason why I'm doing it this way is that I don't want to lose the row that I've already created here. So I'll be using my office pin now to pin it down. So guys, I'll be showing you like 2 different styles. So this is number 1 now. So So guys, this is the back. That is the back of the gele. You can see. So that is the gele is very simple. Then you can now shift it back. So guys, you can see it's very easy. You can tie it on yourself. No need of you calling a makeup artist or anything. So that is the number one style. So let me go straight to the second one now. So the second one is 50-50 ratio. So I'll be doing the same thing, just as it's just that this other hand now I'll make it the same length as this one. So I'm going back now. I'll be measuring it like this. So as you can see, it's now this. So I'll just arrange my pleats that I created before. I will arrange it back now. Now do the same thing. Just cross the both arm now. So now I'll be rolling the hand. I'll be rolling the other hand too. So for this, let me shift it back a little bit. So guys, look at what I'm doing. I'm bringing it back to the front now. So I'll hold this hand now. Then bring the other hand back like this. So you can just leave this one like this. I'm still bringing this one back now. Just have to be careful doing this. Look at what I'm doing. Like this. This one first. Yeah. This one. So guys, I'll be using office pin to pin this side down now. Just have to be careful pinning it down for you not to hurt yourself. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like this video. Let me know what you think about this video. So guys, I'm through pinning it down here now. So this rest one that I leave here now before, I'm going to open it like this. So the rest now, I'll be pinning it down. I'm doing carefully. I'm pulling it down at the middle there. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share this video with your friends that love to tie gele by themselves. So guys. Now shift it back. So here's the back. Yes. And here is the front. So guys, that is it about this Instagram trending gele that you can tell by yourself. No need of you calling a makeup artist. If you like, you can do this one here. You can pin it this side like this. Or if you like, you can just leave it like this. So guys, that is it about the Instagram trending gele tutorial. You can tie it by yourself. No need of you calling a makeup artist or wasting your money. So you can just tie it by yourself. So thank you guys. See you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and give this video a big thumbs up. And see you next time.